This is what Malaika Arora shared about her divorce with Arbaz Khan. She was ridiculed and shamed for it. But unfortunately, this is a story of many women in India. शादी एक ब्यूटीफुल कमिटमेंट है, पर क्या हमेशा निभानी चाहिए, चाहे जितनी भी टॉक्सिक हो जाए? आज का वीडियो थोड़ा अनकंफर्टेबल हो सकता है, बट बहुत ज़रूरी है. Hi, I'm Bhumi, and today we are talking about something that so many Indian women silently go through. Is it okay to walk out of a marriage? Short answer, yes. Long answer, let's talk. Let's unpack this. Let's unlearn the idea that staying in pain is noble, because being strong doesn't mean suffering quietly. अब हर मैरिज परफेक्ट नहीं होती and that is completely okay. Let's clear one myth first. Every marriage has issues. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम्स का होना और उनका अनबेरेबल हो जाना दो अलग अलग चीजें हैं. Sometimes you are just not on the same page. Sometimes there's love, but zero communication. And that is where conscious effort comes in. Now talk to your partner, express how you feel. No sarcasm, no silent treatment, just honesty. If both people are willing to listen, work and grow, because walking out shouldn't be the first step, but sometimes it's the last and healthy one. Now क्या शादी जिंदगी भर का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है? अब हमें बचपन से सिखाया गया है कि शादी एक बार होती है, उसे निभाना पड़ता है. लेकिन क्या किसी और के लिए खुद को खत्म कर देना सही होगा? Now walking out of that marriage wasn't quitting, it was choosing to live. Now abuse has many faces. Abuse सिर्फ मारपीट नहीं होता. Sometimes it's gaslighting. तुम ही ओवर रिएक्ट कर रही हो. Sometimes it's financial control. तुम कमाती कहाँ हो जो बोल रही हो. And sometimes it's emotional abandonment. Being in a marriage but feeling completely alone. एक मूवी आई थी थप्पड़, जिसमें अमृता leaves her husband over just one slap. But was it really about the slap? It was about the dignity. And if you are in a marriage where you're constantly being hurt physically, mentally or emotionally, you have the right to walk out. And no, it doesn't make you a failure. Now the guilt web, बच्चे, family and society. Questions like बच्चों का क्या होगा, माँ बाप की इज्जत का क्या होगा, and most importantly लोग क्या कहेंगे. Now these questions haunt every woman who's thinking of leaving. But here is a truth bomb. Kids notice everything. They grow up watching you, tolerate and disrespect, and learn that love means suffering. Now divorced women in India are often treated like a second-class citizens. But that's changing, slowly but surely. Now your parents might resist at first, but when they see you happier, healthier, standing tall, they will understand. क्योंकि इज्जत तभी बनती है जब खुद की वैल्यू हो. अब सोसाइटी का माइक बंद करो. Indian society loves drama. A woman leaving her marriage, pure gossip gold. But let me tell you something real. Society doesn't live your life. You do. They won't be there when you're crying at 2 a.m. They won't raise your kids or pay your therapy bills. Now look at Masaba Gupta. She got divorced young. And people judged her, obviously. But now she owns her story, her business and her peace. So लोग हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ बोलते रहेंगे, लेकिन जब तक आप खुद से प्यार करना शुरू नहीं करते हो, their opinions lose power. Now financial independence is equal to real freedom. अब बात करते हैं सबसे रियल चैलेंज की, मनी. Many women stay in toxic marriages because financially वो dependent होती हैं. Now alimony मिल जाएगी ये सोचना tempting है, but reality it's unpredictable, legally draining and not always enough. So what is the solution? Skill up, stand up, online courses, freelancing, remote jobs, side hustles. आजकल हर चीज पॉसिबल है. करियर बनाने में टाइम लगता है, बट हर रुपए जो आप खुद कमाते हो वो एक ब्रिक है आपकी नई लाइफ के लिए. And moving on, finally, life after divorce, and yes, it exists. Divorce doesn't mean your life ends. It means you are just beginning again with clarity. Now, you will cry, you will doubt, but you will also heal, grow, and glow. Therapy helps, friends help, journaling helps. You'll rediscover yourself, your voice, your strength, and your choices. So love might come again, or maybe you'll fall in love with yourself. Either way, you are going to win, because this time you're choosing yourself. Finally, तो क्या शादी छोड़ देना गलत है? बिल्कुल नहीं. गलत है खुद से दोस्ती तोड़ देना. Marriage should be a space for love, growth and safety, and not a life sentence. Now, if you're going through something similar, know this, that you are not alone. Now, share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you really found this video helpful, like the video, share it with your friends and family. For more such videos, subscribe to She Speaks Right.